My classroom now is completely different. There's a lot of questions going on. It's gotten to the point where they don't even come to me anymore. They want to do their own research and they want to figure out their own answers to the questions because they know how to do it. And instead of me having to be the keeper of all knowledge, they know how to go about finding that knowledge, which has been really cool to see. There's hands-on activity, they're modeling things, they can explain to you that it's a model, they can explain what the model represents, and along with the questions, there's a lot of evidence, and they know how to use that evidence to explain their answer to their own questions, which I don't think I could have done that at their age. The storylines are huge. We have kids who might not be the most interested in science, but now they love it because they know they're solving a mystery. And how it's presented is it's a real-world phenomenon. The chemical reactions with the water pollution, that really resonated with them because they were figuring out a way to make it better for people.
My students did do the phase change internship with me, where they created the baby warmer, and they absolutely loved it. I think if we would ask the students, they would say that is the highlight of this semester, that they love to be able to have a real world problem.
I realized how much time and commitment it takes to be able to work, trying to be able to figure out things that could save the people, save the world pretty much.
It's been huge for our ELL population. We have these kids who, they're new to the country, they're new to the language, and they're explaining chemical reactions, and they can tell you what an atom is. And if they don't have the words for it, they know how to show you. And then they can use the vocabulary to back it up.
I think the simulations are huge for my kids, especially with some of my students that don't have a strong background in science. Even today with the population changes, they're looking at several generations in a matter of a few minutes. And I think it's just a great visual for every student, but especially those students that need a concrete idea of what's happening. I truly do not believe that I could teach NGSS standards with the fidelity without Amplify. That I can see every lesson every day is directly related to standards, not only science standards, but ELA and math standards. And I don't think early on, knowing NGSS, I would be able to make all of those connections.